Underworld site can be found in northwestern part of Chapter 5 Season 2 map, and it stands out due to green water surrounding it. In every Battlefield game, survival tops the list of tactics ever adopted by players to accomplish something, and this comes down to landing on the best location. Regardless of you being an avid pro gamer or a newcomer, you might face failovers over failovers with consistency if you landed on a wrong position, such as setting your foot at a barren land with no supplies or a hot drop that invites sneakers to stealthily put a bullet in your head from behind the bushes. In Fortnite Chapter 5 Season 2, there are numerous great landing spots to choose from, but the best one for you depends on your skill level and personal preference. Where should you land in Fortnite? Before we dive into the list of the best landing spots in Fortnite, it's important to note that while any location with good loot can be beneficial, there are other factors to consider, such as consistent availability of chests loot, guaranteed materials, nearby points of interest poise, and more. Here are the top landing spots in Fortnite suitable for veterans, beginners, and everyone in between. Mount Olympus. Mount Olympus, located in the southeastern part of the map, is hard to miss due to its massive size. It's a great spot to drop with lots of loot, including Olympus chests with valuable items like the Thunderbolt of Zeus. You can also battle Zeus for a Mythic Huntress DMR and a Thunderbolt of Zeus, but be ready for intense fights as this location is usually busy. The Underworld. The Underworld can be found in the northwestern part of the map, and it stands out due to the green water surrounding it, which gives you a temporary speed boost when you dive into it. You can discover underworld chests containing high-quality weapons and even find the wings of Icarus, allowing you to fly and attack from above. Reckless Railways. Reckless Railways, located northeast of the Chapter 5 Season 2 map center, allows easy rotation according to the first circle. A boss named Valeria can be defeated here, and weapons can be looted from various chests in the area. After defeating Valeria, her key card can be used to open the vault in the southernmost building left of the tracks, where a weapon mod bench and a selection of guns can be found. Classy Quartz. Classy Quartz is located in the northeastern part of the map, providing many options for rotating south. While it may not have the most loot, it's a fun place to start due to its layout. There are plenty of chests on the tennis courts for quick action, or you can land in the buildings on the outer rim for a slightly safer approach against opponents coming from the courts. This is why it's considered one of the best landing spots in Fortnite. Snooty Steps. Snooty Steps in the deep south of Chapter 5 Season 2 map offers many opportunities to rotate to poise like Pleasant Piazza or fencing fields to the north. There's a lot of loot available here, especially if you shoot down the flying drones or defeat the area's boss, Peter Griffin. Use his key card to access the vault in the western part for a weapon mod bench and weapons. However, it can be busy at times, so stay alert and loot quickly. Lavish Lair. The Lavish Lair in Fortnite is a top landing spot in the northern section of the Chapter 5 Season 2 map. It offers plenty of loot and exciting firefights. Defeating the boss Oscar inside allows you to loot his key card and access a weapon mod bench and various guns in the vault beneath the mansion. The Train in Chapter 5 Season 2 map is a popular landing spot, offering an enjoyable way to start a match and providing a good amount of loot. Hacking the chest on the train and defending it rewards players with a nice selection of weapons and healing items. These recommended landing spots all offer a certain level of consistency and great loot, as well as unique features that make them effective depending on your playing style.